Quick reading for March the 7th to March the 8th. Aries, your cards are the Maiden of Cups, the Enchantress, and the Star. Ito yung mga araw na parang ikaw lang, no, ang maganda or pogi, no, ngayong araw na ito. Everyone will stare at you. I don't know what you did. It could be your rejuve. It could be something that you wear today. Or it can be that your person probably missed you, no? With the Maiden of Cups, the Enchantress, this is more of a physical form with the Enchantress, no? Meron tayong mga nakikita din kasi dito na probably you have all the tools na pwede mong gawin ang mga bagay-bagay and you can get away from it. It felt like meron din tayong susuwayin na medyo rules pero minimal at kayang, parang hindi naman masyadong malaking, parang hindi siya big deal, no? With the star in here, meron tayong susuwayin kasi meron tayong dapat gawin, no? So, kumbaga, we bend the rule, pero with the star, mapapatunayan natin na, yes, matigas ba ng ulo ko, pero this is for the benefit of us, no? So, this is your quick reading for March the 7th to March the 8th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.